Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so time I got the last collab video out, we have yet another one that has been revealed. Now on Instagram, well actually on Joe's Instagram, this is what he posted. He posted a story with the owner of Sol de Janeiro. She mentions that there will be a collab, and he also says something about testing some stuff out from the lab and having some new stuff coming to BoxyCharm. So that means, and I'm pretty sure there is going to be something new, and it's probably going to be exclusive only to BoxyCharm from Sol de Janeiro. So I cannot wait to see what it is. So I'm going to let you guys see this video.
Take two. Alright? So I want you guys to meet Sharon. Hi. From Sol de Janeiro that came to see us. Alright, this is our team over here. And she came with her team all the way from New York to sunny South Florida. You want to say hello to the Charmers?
Hi Charmers, we're so excited to be collabing.
We can't tell you guys what because we have to move all the stuff from the table because sneaky you guys, you're gonna go and take pictures and stuff. So we left some lab samples that means nothing and you can't say anything. And we actually had to cut the other video because she was actually revealing something by mistake. That's exciting. So you're gonna see some new stuff coming from Sol and same team. Hi. Hey Charmers.
Hey Charmers.
A beautiful weekend.
So guys, comment below and tell me what you guys think. Now, I've seen the item sitting on the table, but of course it has no name on it. So I'm thinking there's going to be something exclusive from Sol de Janeiro. So I can't wait to see what it is. But as always, guys, BoxyCharm will be linked below. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.